You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. This quote from Marcus Aurelius encapsulates Stoicism, a philosophy from ancient Greece that resonates today. We'll explore Stoic principles to master emotions, control your life, and find tranquility. Join me on this journey of self-discovery and transformation here on Zen Sage Mind. The Stoic principle emphasizes focusing on what you can control. We waste time worrying about things outside our influence, weather, opinions, stock market. The Stoics teach us to control our thoughts, actions, and responses. Relinquishing control frees us from unnecessary anxiety. The Stoic art of turning obstacles into opportunities. Life is not a straight and easy path. The Stoics saw challenges as opportunities for growth. Imagine a setback in your career. Use it to reevaluate goals, learn new skills, or explore new paths. This mindset shift is crucial for resilience and success. The Stoics often spoke about living in accordance with nature. Instead, it's about aligning our lives with the rational order of the cosmos. The Stoics believed that the universe is governed by reason, a logos, and that we as rational beings should strive to live in harmony with this cosmic principle. In a world often characterized by chaos and uncertainty, living in accordance with nature offers a sense of grounding, purpose, and connection to something larger than ourselves. This principle, although not explicitly called mindfulness by the Stoics, is deeply intertwined with their philosophy. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. The Stoics recognized the ephemeral nature of life and the importance of savoring each passing moment. By practicing mindfulness, we can cultivate a deep appreciation for the present, however simple or mundane it may seem. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. True contentment lies in cultivating inner peace and tranquility. When we're present, we're not lost in regrets or anxieties. We're fully engaged with the now, appreciating the beauty of the ordinary. Self-discipline might not be the sexiest of virtues, but the Stoics recognized its importance in living a meaningful life. It's the ability to act according to our values, even when faced with temptation. Think of an Olympic athlete. They achieve greatness by embodying self-discipline, pushing their limits day after day. The Serenity Prayer beautifully encapsulates this Stoic principle. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Life is full of situations and circumstances that lie beyond our control. The Stoics teach us that fighting against the inevitable only leads to frustration and suffering. Acceptance is about acknowledging reality as it is, without resistance, and focusing our energy on what we can influence. The Stoics emphasized right action, but outcomes are often beyond our control. We can set goals and make plans, but the outcome isn't entirely in our hands. We can control our intentions, the motivations behind our actions. Acting with virtue and integrity is its own reward, regardless of the outcome. Emotional resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity, is more valuable than ever in our fast-paced world. Stoic principles provide a powerful framework for this essential skill. By focusing on what we can control, accepting what we cannot change, and acting with virtue, we develop inner strength to weather life's storms with grace. Challenges become opportunities for growth. The Stoics understood that our minds are powerful instruments capable of both incredible creativity and destructive thought patterns. By cultivating mental clarity, we can break free from negativity, challenge limiting beliefs, and make decisions aligned with our values. Stoic practices of mindfulness and self-reflection provide tools to quiet the mind and gain perspective. Cultivate a peaceful and focused mental state. The Stoics placed great importance on human connection and social harmony. One of the key Stoic principles for maintaining harmonious relationships is to focus on what we can control, our own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, rather than trying to control others. This means letting go of the need to be right, to win arguments, or to change other people. It means accepting others as they are, flaws and all, and treating them with kindness, compassion, and understanding. In the whirlwind of daily life, it's easy to get caught up in the rush, to make decisions impulsively, without fully considering the potential consequences. The Stoics emphasized the importance of thoughtful deliberation, of pausing before we act, and carefully weighing our options. They understood that our choices have the power to shape our lives, for better or for worse. The Stoic practice of pros and cons can be a valuable tool for making more informed and rational choices. The Stoics believe true leadership isn't about holding power, but embodying virtues we wish to see in others. It's living with integrity, courage, and compassion, inspiring others through actions, not just words. A Stoic leader earns respect through character, behavior, and commitment to the common good. They lead by example, not coercion or manipulation. The Stoic principles provide a powerful framework for setting and achieving ambitious goals. The Stoic emphasis on self-discipline, perseverance, and focusing on what we can control can be invaluable assets in pursuing our dreams. The Stoics understood that success rarely comes easily, that it requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to overcome obstacles. By focusing on our efforts rather than becoming fixated on the outcome, we can find joy and fulfillment in the journey itself. Stress, that ever-present companion of modern life, can take a toll on our physical and mental well-being. The Stoic principles offer a timeless antidote to the pressures and anxieties of our fast-paced world. By accepting what we cannot control, focusing on our thoughts and actions, and living in accordance with nature, we can develop a sense of inner peace. The Stoic practices of mindfulness, meditation, and journaling can be particularly helpful in managing stress. The Stoics believed that true happiness is not dependent on external circumstances, but a state of inner tranquility from living a virtuous life. They understood that pursuing material possessions leads to dissatisfaction, as these things are fleeting and impermanent. True peace comes from within, mastering our minds, aligning actions with values, and contentment in the present moment. The Stoic pursuit of happiness is not about chasing fleeting pleasures or seeking external validation. It's about living in accordance with reason, virtue, and nature. It's about finding contentment in the present moment, accepting what we cannot control, and focusing our energy on what we can: our thoughts, our actions, and our contributions to the world around us. The Stoics believed that by living in this way, we can cultivate a deep and abiding sense of fulfillment. Patience in the Stoic sense is not about passively enduring difficult situations. It's about understanding the nature of time and the cyclical nature of life. Allow things to unfold in their own time. Rushing or forcing leads to frustration. True patience is accepting the present moment. The Stoics understood that adversity is an inevitable part of life. We will all face challenges, setbacks, and losses. It's how we respond to these challenges that defines our character and determines our ability to thrive. By focusing on what we can control, accepting what we cannot change, and using our challenges as opportunities for growth, we emerge from difficult experiences stronger and more capable. The Stoic principles offer a path to a richer, more meaningful life. Embracing these principles, we navigate life with wisdom, courage, and compassion. We find joy in the present moment and cultivate meaningful relationships. The Stoic philosophy provides a roadmap to a fulfilling life. As we've explored, the principles of Stoicism offer profound wisdom for navigating the complexities of life, cultivating inner peace, and achieving lasting fulfillment. Remember, it's not about becoming emotionless statues, but rather mastering our emotions and aligning ourselves with the rational order of the universe. The journey begins with understanding what we can control, accepting what we cannot, and choosing virtue as our guiding principle. If you found this exploration of Stoicism valuable, consider subscribing for more insightful content.